over our journey, we have come across some amazing women founders who are working on empowering women across various sectors. Bistro.pk works on entrepreneurship and financial inclusion. However, there are organizations such as Dot in Line, who is working in EdTech, Sehat Kahani, who is working in health tech, and Uran, that's working towards financially including and providing financial services to women across Pakistan.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम हलीमा है। आई एम द CEO एंड फाउंडर ऑफ उड़ान। उड़ान एक डिजिटल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज प्लेटफॉर्म है जो औरतों के फाइनेंशियल एक्सेस के लिए काम करता है। We actually started Uran to make sure that women get equal access to financial services. There's a large gap in the market. Unfortunately, formal financial institutions औरतों को cater नहीं करते। बैंक अकाउंट खोलने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स मिलने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, क्रेडिट मिलने में प्रॉब्लम होती है। So all of that problems we solved through Uran. We've actually built a very large community in Pakistan of women. And there were a few things that we realized. One was, okay, there's a very strong sense of belonging that women want. All of us want to be part of something, right? So when you bring these women together, you realize that they're not just talking about finances, but they're talking about how to help each other, how to make their lives better as well, and how to contribute towards each other's well-being. So it's just very, very wholesome to be part of that community. Platforms like ours, platforms like Bechlo, helps these women to not only get better and verified information, whether it is for financial services or even about how to make an income, how to grow your careers, how to find different kinds of skill sets. So when we are part of these communities, when we come together as a group of motivated, aspirational women, there's such great things that come out of it. And we have some really, really phenomenal stories, from women starting their own businesses to women being able to help their families come out of debt, to women funding their entire educations as well. So there's great value when we bring women together. And to be honest, there's nothing that we can't do if we come together as a unit. We believe at Uran, every woman should have financial freedom, and we are here to support shaping that future for her.
जितनी ज़्यादा ख़वातीन बिजनेस सेक्टर में एंटर होंगी, उनके लिए पॉलिसीज़ बनेंगी और पाकिस्तान की माशी हालात को बेहतर करने में वो एक ड्राइविंग फोर्स बन सकती हैं।